Are you ready to change your life? Do you dream of a healthier, more energetic you? Many people feel stuck. They want to transform their bodies but don't know where to start. It can feel very hard. You might have tried many things before. Maybe they did not work for you. But please do not give up hope. Today is a new day. Today you can start a new journey. This journey can lead you to the body you have always wanted. It is a path that has helped so many people, including me. You have the power to make this change. It all starts with one small step. Imagine waking up every morning full of energy. Imagine feeling strong and confident in your own skin. This is not just a dream. It can be your reality. Transforming your body is about more than just losing weight. It is about gaining a new life. It is about feeling good from the inside out. You deserve to feel amazing. You deserve to be proud of your body and what it can do. This journey is for you. It is a chance to discover how strong you really are. You can do this. You just need the right plan and the right mindset to get you there. The path to transformation is not always easy, but it is always worth it. Every healthy choice you make is a victory. Every small step forward is a reason to celebrate. You are building a new you, one meal at a time. This process is about loving yourself enough to make a change. It is about believing that you can reach your goals. I am here to tell you that you can. I did it, and so can you. We will walk this path together. Let's start this amazing journey and unlock the best version of you. Your future self will thank you for starting today. This plan is designed to make things simple. You do not need to be a chef. You do not need to spend all day in the kitchen. This is about real food for real people. It is about finding a way of eating that you can enjoy for a long time. Forget about feeling hungry or deprived. We are going to focus on delicious, satisfying foods that fuel your body in a new way. Get ready to feel excited about food again. Get ready to see the amazing changes that are waiting for you. Your transformation starts right now. So, what is this keto diet everyone talks about? Let me explain it in a very simple way. Your body usually uses sugar from carbohydrates for energy. Think of bread, pasta, and potatoes. On the keto diet, you eat very few carbs. Instead, you eat healthy fats and a good amount of protein. When you do this, your body learns to use fat for fuel instead of sugar. This is a natural process. Your body is very smart. It can switch its fuel source. This special state is called ketosis. And it is the secret to why keto works so well for so many people. When your body is in ketosis, it becomes a fat-burning machine. It starts using the fat you eat and also the stored fat on your body for energy. This is why people can see amazing results. It is not magic, it is just science. Your body is finally using its fat stores for something useful. This gives you a steady supply of energy all day long. You can say goodbye to those afternoon slumps where you feel tired and need a nap. With keto, you can feel more focused and alert. It is a wonderful feeling to have consistent energy. The main benefits of a keto meal plan are truly life-changing. The most obvious one is weight loss. Many people find that the weight comes off steadily when they follow the plan. But there is so much more. You will likely feel less hungry. Fat and protein are very filling, so you stay satisfied for longer. This helps you stop snacking on unhealthy foods. Many people also report having clearer skin, better mental clarity, and more stable moods. It is a total body and mind transformation that goes far beyond the number you see on the scale. Starting keto means changing what you put on your plate. You will say goodbye to sugary drinks, desserts, and starchy foods. You will say hello to foods like meat, fish, eggs, and healthy fats like avocado and olive oil. You will also eat lots of green, leafy vegetables. It might sound like a big change, and it is. But it is also an exciting one. You will discover new recipes and new favorite foods. You are not just taking things away. You are adding so much goodness into your life. This is your chance to fuel your body the right way. You might be wondering what you can actually eat. Let's make it simple. For breakfast, you can have something quick and tasty. Scrambled eggs with some cheese and a side of bacon is a classic keto meal. It is full of protein and fat to keep you full until lunchtime. If you are in a hurry, a simple smoothie can be a great option. You can blend some unsweetened almond milk, a scoop of keto-friendly protein powder, and a handful of spinach. It is a fast way to get nutrients and start your day off right. Breakfast does not have to be complicated to be delicious. For lunch, you can enjoy a big, satisfying salad. Start with a bed of leafy greens like spinach or lettuce. Add some grilled chicken or a can of tuna. Then, top it with yummy fats like sliced avocado, cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil dressing. This is a meal that will not make you feel sleepy in the afternoon. Another great idea is to use leftovers from dinner the night before. This saves you time and makes meal planning even easier. Lunch can be a highlight of your day, a moment to refuel with good, wholesome food. Dinner is a chance to enjoy a warm, comforting meal. A simple piece of baked salmon with a side of roasted asparagus is wonderful. The healthy fats in the salmon are so good for you. Another family favorite is a cheeseburger bowl. You just cook ground beef with some seasoning, then serve it in a bowl with lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and your favorite keto-friendly sauce. It is all the flavor of a burger without the bun. You can also make simple chicken thighs cooked in the oven with some broccoli. The possibilities are endless and so tasty. The secret to success is keeping your meals simple and enjoyable. You do not need to follow complicated recipes with strange ingredients. Stick to the basics: a protein source, a healthy fat, and a low-carb vegetable. When you go grocery shopping, stick to the outer aisles of the store. This is where you will find fresh meat, fish, eggs, and produce. Planning your meals for the week can also be a huge help. It takes the guesswork out of what to eat and helps you stay on track, even on busy days. Remember, this is about making food work for you. Staying on track with your new keto lifestyle is the key to seeing results. One of the best tips is to drink plenty of water. Sometimes when you think you are hungry, you are actually just thirsty. Staying hydrated also helps your body feel its best, especially when you are first starting keto. It is also important to get enough salt and electrolytes, like potassium and magnesium. You can add a little extra salt to your food or drink some broth. This will help you avoid the keto flu and keep your energy levels high as your body adjusts to its new fuel source. Another great tip is to be prepared. Clean out your pantry and get rid of the sugary snacks and carb-heavy foods that might tempt you. Stock your kitchen with keto-friendly options instead. Have things like cheese sticks, nuts, and olives, ready for when you need a quick snack. If you have a plan and have the right foods on hand, it is so much easier to make good choices. Do not let yourself get too hungry. When you are prepared, you are in control. You are setting yourself up for success every single day. Remember to be kind to yourself on this journey. There will be good days and there might be some tough days. That is perfectly normal. If you have a meal that is not keto, do not give up. Just get right back on track with your next meal. One mistake does not ruin all your progress. This is not about being perfect. It is about being persistent. It is about making more good choices than bad ones. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Be proud of every healthy meal you eat and every day you stick to your plan. You are doing something amazing for yourself. You have everything you need to start this journey and succeed. This meal plan is your guide, but you are the one who will make it happen. Believe in yourself and your ability to change. Imagine the person you want to become. Hold that vision in your mind. Every meal is a step closer to that vision. You are strong, you are capable, and you are worthy of feeling your best. Let's begin this incredible journey together. You can transform your body and your life. It all starts with the choice you make today. You can do this.